Hello everyone, welcome to Moving Violations. I'm Russ LeBlanc, your NEC consultant for EC&M Magazine. Where's the cover? Check that out. And this is out in public view on a sidewalk here. And that circuit is live. If I come to the other side over here, you will see that fixture's lit up. So the wiring in that box is energized. There's no cover. 314.25 requires a cover for a box to be a completed installation. So with no cover, rain and snow can get in there and deteriorate certainly the splices that are in there. It looks like they're already suffering some sunlight damage already, and water might be able to seep into that lamp holder through the fitting inside the box. So got to get some covers on these boxes in order to make for a code compliant installation. And I can't tell what type of connector is used on the top there.